Why use a professional accountant? Qualified accountants like Alexander Een have a great reputation for ability and excellence. They are experts in accounting and tax matters. Using a qualified accountant is a good business move for new businesses, because accounting has a very wide variety of uses and function. A business can benefit in the services and professional guidance that an accountant is trained to provide. A good accountant can make a business prosper and realize its true potential. If you don't have a qualified accountant to help you run your business efficiently, it is best to hire one. If you are new to the world of commerce, and you want to have a fighting chance of making your business a success, a good tax accountant is essential. You need a highly reputable accounting firm. In the United Kingdom, there are plenty of accounting firms to choose from. There are numerous highly reputable accountants in the London area. The accounting firm Alexander Een being one of them. For more details, click the link below.